You wake before sunrise to the sound of rifles echoing through the narrow alleys, but nobody around you looks surprised. In your mind, ask yourself this: would you recognize the difference between an ordinary morning and the beginning of a firefight? The neighborhood is already awake because everyone knows silence can disappear in seconds. If you had grown up here, would this feel like danger or simply home? Because the streets already feel watched, your eyes instinctively search every rooftop. But you soon realize the first people to notice you are not the police. They are the cartel's lookouts. Their eyes follow every stranger, therefore almost nothing enters this community unnoticed. The invisible rules surrounding you become impossible to ignore. You expected chaos, but instead you discover an organized rhythm that surprises you. What would you do if the people carrying rifles were also directing traffic, settling arguments, and keeping outsiders away? That realization changes everything because you finally understand why life here feels so different from what the outside world imagines. But if the cartel controls the streets, who controls the cartel? Your curiosity pulls you deeper into the neighborhood. Therefore, you begin noticing rules that nobody ever writes down. Every gesture suddenly seems to carry meaning, but every step forward also brings you closer to people whose trust cannot be earned overnight. One careless decision could completely change your path. Because you stay calm and respectful, the tension eases just enough for the neighborhood to keep revealing itself. Yet the deeper you look, the more complicated this world becomes. You came expecting to witness crime alone, but instead you've stepped into an entire parallel system with its own rules, loyalties, and consequences. And the person waiting at the top of the hill is about to show you how that system truly survives. Because you've reached the highest part of the hill, the entire community spreads beneath your feet like a living map. But the man watching over it isn't simply guarding territory. He's coordinating an entire network. Every lookout reports movement through discrete signals. Therefore, information travels faster than any vehicle could climb these streets. You begin to understand that visibility is the community's greatest defense. But information alone cannot keep a neighborhood alive. So everyday routines continue beneath the watchful eyes above. Families shop, children laugh, and life refuses to stop despite the constant tension. The contrast feels almost impossible to process because ordinary life exists beside extraordinary danger. Could you ever completely relax if every familiar sound carried two different meanings? Because trust determines survival here, strangers are noticed long before they introduce themselves. Every glance toward you quietly asks the same question: why are you here? But instead of hostility, you encounter cautious curiosity that slowly replaces your fear. The community begins revealing itself one careful step at a time. Therefore, you notice something outsiders rarely see. Many families have spent generations on these same hillsides. Their memories are woven into every staircase and rooftop. But the peace changes instantly when distant echoes roll across the valley. Conversations stop before anyone says a single word. Because everyone reacts immediately, you follow their instincts without needing an explanation. Seconds suddenly feel far more valuable than minutes. The danger fades almost as quickly as it appeared, but your understanding has changed forever. You now realize that surviving here depends less on strength than on reading the neighborhood itself, and an even deeper secret still waits beyond the next corner. Because you've learned to read the neighborhood, subtle details begin revealing themselves everywhere. But the most important rules are still the ones nobody ever explains out loud. You notice people naturally lowering their voices near certain corners, therefore you instinctively do the same. Respect here is communicated through awareness long before words. But every unwritten rule exists for a reason, and soon you witness why. A stranger enters the neighborhood, immediately drawing the quiet attention of every lookout. Because everyone remains calm, panic never spreads through the streets. Instead, the neighborhood responds with surprising coordination that feels almost invisible. The stranger eventually leaves, but the invisible system has quietly proven itself. What would you think if the strongest control came from observation instead of force? Therefore, your attention shifts from the people carrying rifles to the families living beside them. Their routines tell a much more complicated story than headlines ever could. But even ordinary afternoons carry uncertainty because nobody knows exactly what tomorrow will bring. Every peaceful moment feels quietly valuable. As the sun begins to fall, therefore the entire neighborhood slowly transforms. Familiar streets become darker, quieter, and far more unpredictable. Night changes the rhythm completely, but life never truly stops. Could you stay calm knowing the darkness hides both comfort and uncertainty at the same time? You finally understand that living here is not defined by a single moment of danger, but by adapting every single day to an environment that constantly changes. Yet one final experience will reveal what this place truly feels like once the city falls completely silent. Because the city has finally grown quiet, every distant sound becomes impossible to ignore. The silence itself now feels like part of the neighborhood's language. You expected the night to feel empty, but instead it feels incredibly alive. Hidden movement continues across rooftops long after most families have gone inside. Because everyone has learned to recognize familiar sounds, unusual noises immediately attract attention. Your own heartbeat suddenly seems louder than the city around you. But nothing dangerous appears, and that realization teaches you something unexpected. Living here means constantly balancing caution without surrendering to fear. As your confidence slowly grows, you begin noticing the beauty hidden inside the hillside after dark. Could you have imagined finding peace in a place the outside world often misunderstands? Therefore, you stop seeing only danger and begin seeing people protecting the lives they have built here. The neighborhood transforms from a headline into something deeply human, but every family also carries memories shaped by years of uncertainty. Those invisible stories seem to echo from every wall surrounding you. Because you now understand the rhythm of the community, fear gives way to empathy. You realize that most people here simply hope tomorrow will be a little more peaceful than today. The first light returns to the rooftops, but you are no longer the same person who arrived yesterday. Every staircase now carries memories instead of mystery. You came searching for danger, but you leave carrying something far more valuable: perspective. And just beyond these hills lies the final lesson that will forever change how you remember this place. Because you are finally leaving the hillside behind, you can't stop looking back one last time. The maze of homes no longer feels unfamiliar. It feels like a place with stories that few outsiders ever truly hear. But as you reach the bottom, the sounds of the city begin replacing the sounds of the community you just experienced. Therefore, you realize how easily two completely different worlds can exist only a few streets apart. The distance grows with every step, but your memories only become clearer. You no longer remember isolated moments. You remember the people who gave those moments meaning. Because perspective has replaced assumption, your understanding feels completely different now. What would you carry with you after spending just one day seeing life through someone else's eyes? You came expecting simple answers, but reality proved far more complicated. Therefore, the greatest lesson wasn't about crime. It was about how people adapt, survive, and protect what they call home. Every sound, every staircase, and every rooftop now carries a memory that cannot be reduced to a stereotype. The promise made at the beginning of this journey has finally found its answer. Because you allowed yourself to experience this place instead of judging it from afar, you leave with something much more valuable than certainty: understanding. Sometimes the most unforgettable journeys are the ones that completely change the questions you ask. Thank you for taking this journey and imagining every step through your own eyes. If you're ready to experience another remarkable story from a completely different perspective, I'd be honored to have you along. Until then, what world would you choose to explore next? Because you slow down before leaving completely, you notice details you rushed past before. The worn walls, the steep staircases, and the open windows now tell stories instead of simply filling the landscape. But every story here belongs to someone who wakes up tomorrow and continues living it. You realize your journey may be ending, while theirs begins again with another ordinary sunrise. Therefore, you begin seeing resilience where you once expected only hardship. Strength here isn't loud. It quietly repeats itself every single day. But the hillside still reminds you that uncertainty never completely disappears. Every peaceful day exists alongside the possibility that tomorrow could be different. Because you've experienced both the beauty and the complexity of this place, judging it from a distance no longer feels possible. What would your opinion have been if you had never walked these streets yourself? You finally understand that places do not define people as much as people define places. Therefore, every face you met becomes part of the memory you carry forward. But even after leaving, the rhythm of the neighborhood stays with you. The echoes of footsteps climbing endless staircases continue playing in your memory. Because every journey changes the traveler, you notice that the city around you now feels different too. Nothing outside has changed, only the way you see it. The distance keeps growing, but the understanding you've gained refuses to fade. You no longer remember the fear first, you remember the humanity. Because the journey began with uncertainty, it now ends with perspective. The mystery wasn't hidden inside the favela, it was hidden inside your own assumptions. You arrived searching for danger, but you leave carrying empathy, respect, and a far more complete picture of life than you expected. That is the journey the first sunrise quietly promised you. The experience ends here, but its questions can stay with you long after this moment. Thank you for sharing this journey. If you'd like to step into another extraordinary life and see the world through different eyes, I'd be honored to have you back. Until then, what perspective will you choose to discover next?